Hari perang sakan ko imchak so ang gital ko video da tora pengrang daldi video de yan fishing competition ar ya fishing competition khalani biap de venue puthimari songni pukhuri district Golpara Assam ar ya pukhuri si bagopar ramade menditu Krishnai road tora pengrang ya khalani tarikh khode tonaha suku 3 December 1000 khorgri aru ya khalani entry fees kode tonaha 1000 geni sabunga to repengrang ino khalani somoy kode tonaha suku bajioni gini bajiona aru ya khalani first prize tonaha lakponga second prize tonaha lakgini third gopa prize tonaha laksa fourth gopa prize tonaha 1000 sotponga aru fifth gopa prize tonaha 1000 kholaschi to repengrang yasa dongja ino de aru consolation prize rangkoba bang pek tonaha to consolation prize rangko A group B group dake tonaha to consolation A group tonaha saoni saksikingna 1000 khori dake tonaha ar consolation B group yade otja typing mistake onga serial number de to ede sisa ungja eta saoni saksot brena 1000 sibonga dake tonaha to consolation A group B group sugumuk ino saksot bokana consolation prize tonaha ne to repengrang ino lucky draw ba donga to lucky draw ni ticket ni dam riksasa donaha to lucky draw ni first prize 1000 sotchini aro lucky draw ni second prize 1000 kholaschi aro lucky draw ni third gopa prize 1000 sibunga aro lucky draw ni fourth gopa prize 1000 sini donaha to lucky draw ni ino consolation prize ba donaha to consolation prize rangko saoni saksekingna 1000 githam dake donaha ne to repengrang ino rule and regulation ba donaha to rule and regulation ko nasong nangade ya khamasi organizer ni contact number donga to organizer ni contact number nasong contact khabo to contact number de 9862209829 aro second ko bade 9362012485 aro last ko bade 6003915551 ya gi githam number nasong contact khaimung ya khalani details ko nasong rana manegen to repengrang nasong ang channel lo gitalongode ang channel ko subscribe khajade ang channel ko subscribe khabo ang video ko namnika de like khabo comment khabo to repengrang dalni video de yan methala bye bye